Patagonia Granite Crest Review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. If you're eyeing a premium range shell like the product into teacher product, Patagonia Granite Crest rain jacket, you want to know exactly what the high price buys you, and most people get this wrong by assuming premium brand equals perfect performance. Here's how to break it down. The Granite Crest lists at around us for men's large according to one review. The jacket uses Patagonia's Hano Performance, standard 3-layer waterproof technology and recycled nylon fabric. What you get: exceptional material and solid waterproof breathability performance for serious conditions. The recycled fabric and reputable brand also add to durability and ethical credentials. What you give up: the high price means you must commit to using the jacket in conditions that justify it. One critical review argued the jacket underperformed heavy rain and felt the price should have been lower. Here's how to evaluate. Step 1. Estimate how often you'll use the shell in harsh weather. For daily wear in mild rain it may be overkill. Step 2. Check the cost in your currency, for example 23 in India via import, and compare to alternatives. Step 3. Assess whether the features 3-layer construction, seam sealing, ethical fabric matter to your use case. Step 4. Compute cost per use. If you wear the jacket 100 times and it costs us, that's A per use, but if you wear only 10 times, cost becomes as per use. Most people get this wrong by buying premium outerwear for occasional use and then feeling the price was too steep. The surprising truth: a high-priced jacket only delivers real value when you extract full performance and frequent usage. In conclusion, if you hike, climb or spend time in wet rut conditions and value ethical materials, the Patagonia Granite Crest could be a smart investment. If your use is casual or limited to city rain, you may find better value in a less expensive jacket. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more outdoor gear reviews and pricing explained.